Hi, and Namaste. Welcome to the third day of the 7-day meditation challenge. Find a comfortable seat and let's start right away. Today we will be doing a gratitude meditation and we'll use the lotus mudra. Mudra means hand gesture. So with our hands, we'll make a flower, the lotus flower. Bring the base of your palms together. Thumbs are touching, pinkies are touching, and spread the rest of your fingers out wide. Sit up tall. Relax your shoulders and bring the tops of your ears up and back. Close your eyes or gaze at the floor and take a big belly breath in and out through your nose. And do a few more, allowing your body to center itself, your focus and concentration to this moment and these sensations. The Lotus Mudra is a beautiful way to open our hearts and invite gratitude and appreciation. So let's start with a breath, because that truly is a gift. Notice how you breathe in, the air enters your nostrils and travels down your throat into your lungs. And then without us even thinking about it, there's this gas exchange happening. And carbon monoxide leaves our lungs, down to the throat, out through the nostrils. And with each breath, this process happens so that we stay healthy and we can live. And let's appreciate our bodies and all the other amazing processes that are happening right now without us even thinking about it. The food that we eat, how that turns into energy, the words that we hear right now, and that is being processed in our brains. Us sitting in meditation, calming down and going into relaxation mode, which allows our bodies to rest and digest and bring itself back into balance. And let's give thanks to our loved ones, our families, our children, the true gifts that they are, and all the funny and silly moments that they bring, and the wonders and their perspectives on life and the world. And all our experiences together with our children that we carry in our hearts. And let's feel gratitude for our community. The people who are around us. And friends and loved ones who are maybe far away, but still feel close. Our community online and offline. And our homes. If you have a garden or plants, feel gratitude for nature. And let's thank the sun. It comes up every day. Nobody needs to turn the sun on or anything. It just does its thing. Gives us light and warmth. And when night falls, we sleep and we rest and restore ourselves. The amazing gifts of nature that are really powerful and that we don't have to think about. Take a moment to think of a few more things that you're very grateful for, that brings you so much joy and happiness. Think of that and connect to the feeling of your open heart, feeling so much gratitude. And then slowly bring your palms together, and you can rub your palms. Feel the sensation of the warmth. And then rest your palms on your upper legs. Make sure that your shoulders are still relaxed. Keep your eyes closed. And take a moment to just bathe in this wonderful feeling of gratitude. This positive and uplifting feeling. And bring a smile to your face as you're feeling this gratitude and joy and abundance with every part of your body, with every part of your being. And let's direct this powerful, grateful feeling towards ourselves. Thank yourself for doing this meditation today, for being so committed, for taking this time for yourself, for your choice to see the positive in everything that you do have. Thank yourself for who you are, the lessons that you've learned, all your experiences, memories. And let's seal it with a nice big belly breath in and out through the nose. Bring your hands in prayer position in front of your heart. Then press your hands firmly together while dipping your chin. And whenever you're ready, slowly open your eyes, take in the colors of the floor, the ground, your room, or the space that you're in. Thank you so much for joining me today. May this meditation be a blessing to you, and may it ripple out into the rest of your day. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Namaste. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed my meditation, then sign up now for my free guide to stress-free mornings. The link is right down below. Just click on it, sign up, and I'll send it to you right away. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.